myself Sonam Bala from Amarnath Vidyashram. Today we are going to learn the noun gender. There are 4 types of noun gender in our English language. First, the masculine gender noun. Second, feminine gender noun. Third, common gender noun. And fourth is neuter gender noun. So students, today let's know more about of these gender nouns. So let's start our study. Hello students, today we are going to learn about nouns gender. Common noun name both living organisms and non-living things. Often these names tell us whether we are talking about living organism like hen, boy, male or female organism like loin, loin is boy, girl. This helps us use he and she with a noun. Someone who can be either male or female like pilot, friend, baby, non-living thing, store, bicycle. We can say that noun indicate 4 kinds of gender. So let's read ahead. We can say that nouns indicate 4 kinds of gender. First masculine gender noun, second feminine gender nouns, third common gender nouns, and fourth neuter gender nouns. Masculine gender noun. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun and a female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. And a common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. A neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Inanimate things are neither male nor female, so they are neuter. Here is a list of some masculine noun and feminine noun. Uncle is a male name, so uncle is a masculine noun, and aunt is a female name, so aunt is a feminine noun. So read ahead. Emperor, empress, father, mother, gentleman, lady, son, daughter, king, queen, man, woman, prince, princess, sir, madam. So students, learn it. Now we read ahead. We read about the common noun. Masculine and feminine nouns. Read the following sentences. The lioness went out to hunt. The lion looked after the cubs. The words lioness and lion tell us whether the organism we are talking about are male or female. Here the word lioness is a female name, so it's a feminine noun, and here the word lion is a male name, so it's a masculine noun. Now read ahead. The following is a list of some masculine and feminine nouns we use to refer to people. Masculine noun and feminine noun. Boy is a masculine noun and girl is a feminine noun. Bridegroom, bride, brother, sister. Now we read ahead. Now we read common gender nouns. Some nouns like student, doctor, baby do not indicate whether we are talking about a man or a woman. They are commonly used to refer to both male and female. Noun that can refer to either female or male are common gender noun. I repeat it again. Noun that can refer to either female or male are common gender noun. For example, cousin, doctor, friend, teacher, pilot, etc. You can see here when we talk about cousin, we do not understand we are talking about a male person or a female, so it's a common gender noun. Same like doctor, when we say doctor, we do not understand we are talking about a female person or a male person. Just like friend, teacher, pilot, they all are common gender noun. Now we read about the neuter gender noun. Now we are reading about neuter gender nouns. Non-living objects are neither female nor male. They have no gender. Nouns that refer to non-living objects are neuter gender noun. Understand, student, what is neuter gender noun? Nouns that refer to non-living objects are neuter gender nouns. For example, table, toy, house, carrot, plane, etc. They all are neuter gender noun because they have no gender. Like table have no gender, it's a non-living thing, and toy, house, all are non-living things. We usually do not use he, she to refer to such nouns. We use it. We do not use he and she because they are non-living objects, so we use it. For example, this is a teak wood table. My grandfather made it himself. Now table is a neuter gender noun, so we use it. I mark it. This is a teak wood table. Here table is a neuter gender noun and my grandfather made it. It is used for table. Okay. And what we read, this is a teak wood table. My grandfather made it himself. Understand, students? It's a neuter gender noun. Now I gave you some exercise to understand more it. Students, now we do this exercise. Let's read it. Exercise A. Look around you. Can you write 3 nouns in each column? Here are 4 columns: masculine gender noun, feminine gender noun, common gender noun, neuter gender noun. You can see here in masculine gender noun we write here boy, feminine gender noun here we write girl, common gender noun here we write teacher, and neuter gender noun here we write pencil. So students, now you write 3 nouns in each column according to their gender. So let's start. Here we write boy because boy is a male name, so boy write in masculine gender noun column. So what is right here? Think about it. What is masculine gender noun? Here we can write father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, because father is a male person. So here we write father in a masculine gender noun. And what we write here? Here we write mother because M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, because mother is a female gender noun. Common gender noun teacher. Teacher is male teacher and female teacher, so teacher is a common name, so we write here teacher. What we write here now? Thinking. Here we can write here doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, because male doctor and female doctor both are doctor, so we can write here doctor because doctor is a common name. We cannot understand when we speak only doctor what we talking about, a male person or a female person, so we write here doctor. And now neuter gender noun. Pencil is a non-living object, so we write here pencil. And now what we write here in neuter gender noun? We can write here chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair, because chair is a non-living thing and they have no gender. Now number 2. What we write here? Here we can write brother, B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Okay, so what we write in feminine gender noun? Thinking, students, what we write? When we write here father, so we write here mother. So here we write brother, so what we write here? Here we write sister. Okay, understand, students? And now in common gender noun we can write any common name here. So thinking about what we write in common gender, we can write here student, S-T-U-D-E-N-T, because student is a common name. And in neuter gender noun we can write here pencil लिखा है already, chair, here we can write box, any kind of box, because box is a non-living object. And now here we write uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle, because uncle is a male person, so we write in masculine gender noun. And here we write aunt, A-U-N-T, aunt, aunt is a female person, so we write in feminine gender noun. In common gender noun we can write cousin, cousin, because cousin is a common name and cousin is a common gender noun. And here we can write here table, table, table. Okay, understand students? I hope you can understand it better. Now I gave you some more exercise to do at your home. Okay students? Okay, now I gave you some exercise for your homework.